There's a belief that rides along with almost every new car sale. The tires it came with must be good because the automaker chose them. It sounds reasonable until it gets checked against millions of miles of owner-reported data. That data has a clear answer and it's coming up. TireGrades ratings come from real owner surveys, actual drivers rating the tires on their own vehicles with no sponsorships involved. Ratings only compare tires within the same category. So this is always an apples-to-apples look. First up, a head-to-head between two highway all-season tires, the Continental TerrainContact HT and the Goodyear Wrangler ST. Start with hydroplaning, where owners rated the Continental 9.1 against just 4.4 for the Goodyear. Wet traction tells a similar story, 9.2 versus 4.2. Road noise and ride quality both land at 9 for the Continental, compared to 6.6 and 6.5 for the Goodyear, and Treadwear follows the same pattern, 9 versus 6.5. These are owners describing their own daily experience, not opinions about either brand as a whole. Same story, different garage. This time it's two standard touring all-season tires, the Michelin Defender 2 against the Bridgestone Turanza EL 400-2. Treadwear shows the widest gap, 9.4 for the Michelin against 4.4 for the Bridgestone. Light snow follows close behind, 8.8 versus 3.9. Wet traction comes in at 9.2 versus 5.3. Ride quality 9.2 versus 5.8. And road noise 9 versus 5.3. Again, these are real owners rating the tires currently on their own cars. So the myth that factory-fitted tires must be good simply because the automaker chose them. Busted owner data across two separate categories shows factory fitment can land anywhere from excellent to well behind average, and the automaker's choice doesn't guarantee either outcome. What this doesn't say is that every original equipment tire is bad, or that every replacement is better. It depends entirely on the specific tire. For full reviews and complete category rankings, head to TireGrades.com, linked in the description. If this was useful, a like or a subscribe is appreciated. Good luck and happy motoring.